Welcome back to Bump 200. We're going to be carrying on where we left off. World's fastest bumper car update. Yes, we have the seat in place. We're going to be looking at handlebars. Well, actually, I think that's going to work exactly where it is. I'm not entirely happy about the steering column being here, but that might work just as it is. What if it was lower? It might start bashing into things. I like that right where it is. Now the only question is how to attach that to the steering column. Yes, so I'm thinking about some kind of bar across there, like that. Wider, obviously, not made out of wood like a lollipop stick. You may remember I investigated and invested in a kind of general mountain bike handlebar thing. It's just not going to work though, because obviously that's way too big and that's way too small, as I remember. So yeah, I mean, we could make it work, but I think what I want to do is something more like a general motorcycle, i.e. that kind of clamp. Now with most bikes, the bottom half of this is actually part of the yoke here, and then these just bolt in top and clamp it down. But on the Triumph, that poor baby over there, I'm pretty sure that the bottom half was also separate. So I'm pretty sure they're up here somewhere, but I'm damned if I can find them. Probably threw them away thinking I'd never need them. One of my annual clear outs. As you do. The good news is that's a shorter bolt in there now, so no fouling on the bottom of the motor. I mean, as you can see, it's like a millimetre clearance, but that's all good. And that's all bolted up the front end as well. So yeah, looking good down here. So what exactly have I been up to? Well, not a lot. Kind of waiting on Ron still. 18 months later. Yes, Mr. NASA. Obviously still very busy with NASA, so far too busy to do anything with my bumper car, or indeed my mate Kurt's license plate frame. Time to take matters into my own hands. Sounds dangerous. So the aforementioned Kurt will be picking up all the bits and pieces I left with Ron, and we'll be taking it from there. Which means a long conversation with Tyler at one of those karting places, and ordering a rear axle, some rear hubs, and all the bits in between. Any modifications to which will be done by my good friend Michael, carpenter at IDR, because he'll just do it. Anyway, handlebars, yeah. So after some consultation with my dear friend Mr. Schnell Welder, we were thinking about welding them, and he said we should probably bolt them as well. And then I thought, yeah, we probably need them easily detachable in order to get the bodywork off. So we've just gone for the bolts, and that particular metal disc is just a little bit thin, so I've got another one coming. But that's the nice and simple solution for the handlebars. Cool. So yeah, not a lot of progress. I admit, I confess, it's been too bloody hot, honestly, to do anything. And I have been waiting for Ron. Obviously, I've kind of given up on that. I will be getting the sprocket and stuff back from him, and my friend Chris at one of the karting companies is putting together a package for me. I don't know what that's going to cost when he's going to get around to it. He's probably got more important things to do. So I will post another update when we've got something to update you with, and when I do, of course, that'll be quite exciting, hopefully, because we'll have a back end to start playing around with. Cool. So yeah, thanks as always for watching, tuning in again. If you thought the video was any good, give it a thumbs up. Haven't already, subscribe down here somewhere, and of course encourage others to watch my lunacy.